Hi, I'm Antonio Azevedo with Visalia Toyota. I'm the sales manager here. Currently at Visalia Toyota, we have 16 salespeople. Our goal is to get 20, so we're currently working on that so we can achieve our goals. In the very front, as a service, on the service part of it, when you first come in, we have six as what we call service riders. Then we have 12 technicians. We have one service manager that handles all the situation, dispatches things, so it all works properly and people get taken care of. How many cars in inventory? Currently we have 382 cars in inventory ready for sale. We do have a chain reaction that happens every time, so we always have cars in line that are going to be released to come to inventory. Some are in detail, some are in our shop, so I'm not counting those, but that's why we get new faces every day. So for folks that come to our lot and they saw our inventory, well, tomorrow we might have 2 or 3 more different cars at that point. At Visalia Toyota, we are kind of lucky in regards to the services that we provide because we are independently owned, so it's not a chain organization. Toyota has a 2-year maintenance program when you buy a new car, and that consists of oil changes, tire rotations. When the customer comes in and brings a car for service, let's say, they get an inspection that consists of a 57-point type of inspection, and that is free, just to let them know what condition and what their car may need that they don't even know maybe at times, so they can keep an eye on it or perhaps get it repaired if that's something that needs immediate attention. Why should customers pick Visalia Toyota? We have a lot of things in place to help you, the customer, to ensure that you get good service when you come, and not just when you purchase a car from us, but after the sale, which is very important. And that we are part of the community, and we support the community for all the local folks that live in our area to also support us. So being that we support them, we feel that they should also give us that support back. There's actually a number of different things that I love about the Groppetti Automotive Group. One that really stands out is their values. The values really was one of the main things that that I liked before I came on board with the organization in itself. I was reading the poster that he had, and that really sold me, and those are things that I believe as well. So when I saw that, I thought there was a lot of thought that went into writing those boards. So it sold me into coming to the organization, that they had a strategy in place to really take care of the workers and the people that we service, which is the public. Once again, I'm Antonio. I'm the sales manager here for Visalia Toyota. I'd like to invite you all to come down, visit us. We have lots of inventory, great specials, and we are right here in Visalia, and our phone number is 627-4777 if you wish to call. Thank you very much, and you all have a great day.